AirPods automatically enter low power mode to conserve battery when not in use. In active mode, the battery depletes over time. They enter low power mode after about 5 to 10 minutes of inactivity, or when removed from your ears on models with sensors. In low power mode, they disconnect Bluetooth and significantly reduce power consumption. This is crucial for preserving battery life and ensuring your AirPods are ready when you need them. If your AirPods aren't entering low power mode, it can lead to rapid battery drain. How do you know if your AirPods are failing to enter low power mode? Common signs include AirPods remaining warm when not in use, unusually fast battery drain, even when stored in the case, and the AirPods remaining connected to your device even after you've stopped using them and placed them in their charging case. Monitor your battery levels closely to detect anomalies. A 20% overnight drain, as reported by users after iOS 18.1, is a strong indicator. First, ensure your AirPods are properly seated in the charging case. Physical obstructions or poor contact can prevent low power mode activation. Second, check that your charging case has sufficient battery power. A low case battery can interfere with AirPods functionality. Third, gently clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and the case using a dry, lint-free cloth. Dirt or debris can block proper electrical connection. Finally, make sure the charging case lid closes securely. A loose or improperly closed lid can prevent the AirPods from entering low power mode. Software glitches are a common cause of low power mode failure. These can prevent your AirPods from properly entering low power mode. First, try resetting your AirPods via your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap Forget this device. Then, repair them by opening the AirPods case near your iPhone. Next, ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and download and install any available updates. AirPods firmware updates are typically installed automatically when your AirPods are connected to an updated iPhone. A key update in iOS 18.2 specifically addressed low power mode issues, helping to fix common activation problems. Bluetooth interference can prevent AirPods from entering low power mode. Wireless signals from nearby devices create congestion that keeps the AirPods active. Common sources include Wi-Fi 6E and 7 routers, which operate on similar frequencies as Bluetooth, and other Bluetooth devices in the area. First, try moving away from potential sources of interference. Physical distance can reduce signal congestion. Turn off Bluetooth on devices you're not currently using. This reduces the number of signals competing for the same frequency band. If the problem persists at home, experiment with temporarily disabling your Wi-Fi router. This can help isolate whether the router is causing the interference. You can also try changing the Bluetooth channel on your router settings. Different channels may experience less congestion from other wireless devices. If basic troubleshooting fails, try a factory reset of your AirPods. This process varies slightly depending on the model, but generally involves pressing and holding the setup button on the charging case. After the reset, perform a Bluetooth purge. Remove all Bluetooth devices from your iPhone's memory and repair only essential devices, including your AirPods. According to a YouTube tutorial by Marks Brownlee, this combined approach has proven successful for many users. Repair your AirPods with your iPhone. If none of the software fixes work, you may have a hardware problem. Common causes include exposure to water, physical damage, or corrosion, all of which can prevent low power mode activation by damaging internal components. Water exposure can cause moisture to seep into the device, leading to short circuits or component failure that blocks the low power mode sensors from functioning properly. Physical damage from drops or impacts can break internal connections or sensors, disrupting the power management system and preventing automatic low power mode entry. Corrosion from salt or chemicals can degrade the electronic circuits, especially the H1 or H2 chip that controls power states, leading to unreliable low power mode behavior. If you suspect hardware damage based on these symptoms, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for professional diagnostics and repair options. Apple has extended battery warranties for affected units until 2027, which may cover repairs or replacements for hardware-related low-power mode issues. For example, Apple support case number AP2024-045 involved a user whose AirPods Pro failed low-power mode after saltwater exposure. Corrosion on the chip was identified as the cause, and Apple replaced the unit under warranty. Looking ahead, AI-driven power management and longer-lasting batteries are on the horizon for AirPods. Future AirPods models may integrate machine learning to predict user habits and optimize low-power mode entry, reducing unnecessary battery drain. Longer-lasting batteries are also in development, promising extended playback times with improved energy efficiency. In the meantime, practice proactive maintenance to keep your AirPods performing optimally. Regularly clean your AirPods and charging case, avoid extreme temperatures, and protect them from moisture. Consider disabling unused sensors, as suggested by experts like AnandTech's Ian Cutress, to minimize power drain. Keep your software updated and monitor battery health regularly using third-party apps like Coconut Battery.